I'm going to show you today how to pitch a tent and then how to put it back. So right now I have a tent. It's from Quechua, as you can see in this video here. This is a tent. It's called camping tent basically, and this one particularly accommodates 2 people. Okay. So first thing is just take it out of the cover. Now this is how it comes, right? So first, wherever you want to pitch the tent, let's say I want to pitch it here, you have to just roll it out. Okay, that's how we head back. Once you spread it out, you will find some sticks that we'll use. I'm going to explain that. So there you must ensure that you have 2 sets of sticks, because this is the one that you're going to put on the tent, and it'll kind of hold it, gives the dome feature. Okay, so once we spread it out, again you will have 2 things here. One, this is the actual tent, and this is the cover that we put on the tent, right? So normally it comes like this. The first thing you need to do is you need to spread it out. Okay, so I'm going to do that here. So this is for 2 people tent, right? And this is camping tent. So you should have 2 sets of sticks. Normally the sticks are made very carefully. So you will have like small stick, and there's like a stretchable thread that goes inside. So once you kind of pull it out, and then there's a hole to kind of put back in, and it becomes it's basically foldable sticks, right? So I'm gonna spread it out here, and then just put diagonally in one side. Then take the other stick and do the same again. So this, you will see there's a hook here, right? There's an anchor. So all you have to do is you have to put the anchor inside this hole first. That's the first step. Okay, and then you do the same thing for the other end, and then again you have a similar same thing here again. And all you have to do is, there are hooks here, like 3-4 sets of hooks. You have to clip it here above that notch. And I have the second set of rod that will go from behind. Once I have this ready, again you need to just put the clips on here. I have it right here. Next one, and that's it. Almost the tent is ready. There's a middle clip. Just move it around and clip. So this is the zip. This is basically the entry, right? So it's a double-sided zip that you can just enter inside. So as you can see, there is enough space for 2 people, and you go inside. You can actually zip it. And you have a kind of window, the net kind of thing, wherein the wind can pass, so it's breathable and you will feel good. This is the cover. Okay, so all you have to do is just put it on top of it, making sure that there is the door to your entry is in the front. Okay, and again, if you see at the bottom of this each corner, you have the clip. Just put the clip on here so it doesn't fly off if there's wind. And my tent is ready. So right now it's very stable. It can withstand a little bit of wind and rain as well. So all you have to do is, wherever you want to just sleep, just you can move this entire tent. It's like a moving house. And then if you want to get in, just open the door. Right? This is where is the zip, right? So you just get in. I can just get in, slip into this very peacefully, right? And like I said, I have enough space for two people, right? Very comfortable, very nice. You know, you can carry it around, very lightweight as well. So let me come out, and now I'm gonna show you how to fold it back and put it back into the small cover that I had. So steps are again same, you know, in the reverse order. So first I'll take this cover out, take out the clip, 4 clips. So this is out. So now just put it aside. Always make sure that if you are pitching a tent and let's say you happen to have rain while it was pitched, you know, make sure that you dry the dry this tent properly before you fold it, because otherwise, you know, you'll have a lot of fungus, become dirty, and it will eventually go spoiled. Okay. So all I'm gonna do now is just remove all these clips. Just take it out, hold it. So here's what you need to do. So put this cover on top of the tent, so it can actually easily be inside and it's not a separate thing. Okay, very good. Alright, so just make a small fold here. Okay, same the other side. Then just give it a fold, full fold. Make sure that cover stays inside. Puff out all the air. Okay, so just put it properly. Keep it at one end of it, and then just keep rolling. Roll it till the end. Okay, and let's find the cover. Here is the cover. All you have to do is just put it in. Alright, and this is it, this pack. So thank you very much again for watching this video. We'll see you again in, you know, doing something else. My name is Manish. With me I have Arvind Bhai shooting this video right now. Thank you again. Bye bye.